Hey guys, welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to Cooking with Tracy and more. Yes, yes, yes. Well, I go on with happy Sunday, happy Sunday. When I go on with no good, when no good. So me go show you my version of this now. What me I go do? My version. Let me see. There's my baking thing, but I like me reuse them. Me reuse them. So me like lay the me like lay this night. File paper, me like lay night. Me reuse them. Maybe Mr. Mixer, me like call Mr. Mixer while I never get it. Maybe come back, maybe it won't cut off. So hopefully not cut off. So I can see my version. I steam. I go steam something, so I go show you my version. Alright, so see. Hope it come out good. I go for the olive oil. I don't even have to use the olive oil because I use some of the juice, so I'm going to use the olive oil light. So this is my version. When you done, we show you how it look. When you eat, you know we see. So this is my version. I don't want too much olive oil in there. I don't know if all of them can hold in this, but this is my version. So me grease it in. Hungry, kill me. I like from morning, you know. I eat from morning. So this is my version. So I have this soak in some coconut juice. Some coconut juice, and so I boil the water and mix out the coconut juice. And I did put 2 pieces of butter in it. And little tip of salt, because unsalted butter. I use little tip of salt. So blah. Bami. So this is my bami, okay? Yeah, my bami. So I'm going to try place them in this. Hopefully, all of them can hold in it. Hopefully, I'm trying my best. So I'm going to steam them. I'm not fry them. I don't like when it fried absorb too much oil. So I'm going to steam it. I always steam it still. I know say all of them couldn't hold in them. I know. That's something I do already. So I know say all of them couldn't hold. No matter how you see me, I go try neat up here. I know say all of them couldn't hold in them. Me show you. Me turn around the camera and show you. See how them seeing it there? See how it stay there? So I try see. Me say see it full. I don't want them tight up on each other. So maybe them 2 pieces. I don't know if piece can hold it, sorry, so come on for me done later. And a 2 piece leaving it. 2 piece. So see there, 2 piece leaving in the container. So I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna try and see, alright? I'm put back this over here. So alright. I don't know. I'm gonna try see if it can hold up here so. Come on, piece me more something me bye later. Hopefully. Now push it down like that here so no go up on the grill, not the oven. I try my best. I try my best. I'm trying my best. Oh, I'm gonna wrap it. So I'm gonna wrap it. I want it to steam. I'm gonna put some of the juice over it. I want it to steam. So this is my version of steamed bami. Me make you see how it stay when it come out, alright? So that's my version. I may have piece of fish, piece of escovitch fish. I'm gonna fry for Friday. I'm gonna put that in the oven to warm up. So when they come out, me make you see how it stay, alright? So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Now you put in it now. Make it see this up. Half an hour good enough for it. Alright. And I wrap up the fish already. But I wrap the fish already. I'm gonna make one see the fish. I'm gonna make one see the fish. See the fish there? So I'm gonna put this in the oven, make it warm. Which you know say not have to warm, but I want it to warm up because for Friday I do it today Sunday. So I'm gonna make it warm. Maybe about for just 20 minutes or so. I want big sinapa, so it have to soak through, alright? So that's how the thing set up. So I'm gonna fold it up like this and put it in the oven. This is my old baking tin. When I take out it, I'm going to throw it that one. Another one is terrible. Can't throw it now, but I reuse them. Not because they're cheap. I reuse them, I love. Sorry, I'm going to put back. I don't know if I like put back my stuff them. That I put back. And this, I'm going to save that. I'm not throw this yet because I don't know if I'm going to need it. So make it stay there, so. That's the way we do it. That's the way we do it. That's the way we do it, alright? Hungry kill me. I don't know, so when I cook something, I'm going to eat this long time. I'm excited. I don't want to fill up my belly with all kind of something. So I'm going to eat nothing but I'm hungry. Hopefully I can't wait. Now I was 6 or 10. So by 6:30, I test this how it go on with. And when I eat, me come back to here. Maybe I have with some coconut water. You may have with some coconut water. So, you hungry, see? You hungry? Jesus. You hungry bad. Oh, what is the laundry card? So anyway, how on a Sunday I go on with what I do? We not eat on the rice and peas and curry goat and brown stew pork and brown stew beef and French fried chicken and fried fish and then sitting there. Breaded flour fried French fried fish. And a nice sauce at the side with a carrot juice and them thing there, no? So, you know what I mean? Uniform. Can't cook. I have to cook them something when I go home, like during the week. But I go cook when I go home. I go home next month. But I go cook. I want something exciting to cook in my basement. But I go cook in the basement when I go home. I don't know I go cook, but once I cook on we see it. Because when I go home and I see the bed, I just strip off my clothes and wash off out the road off of my body and put on one tank top and one down a bottom and go and lay down. In my basement, nice and clean and comfortable. Nice and clean and comfortable. In my basement, nice and clean and comfortable. When I see me, just want to sleep, sleep, sleep. I can't dance to save myself. Sleep, sleep, sleep. My basement, just want to sleep, 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 sleep. I'm gonna have a nice clean kitchen. Sleep, sleep, cook, 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 cook something. Anyway, when I go home, I don't know how to cook something. I don't know what to do. If I feel the energy, if I don't feel it, I don't cook. But if I feel it, I don't know how to cook. Here, I have cooked tin mackerel and boiled banana. Easy, 1, 2, 3, me alone. I don't want nothing to wash up when I'm done. In a big basement. Hey, 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 ready with him. Anyway, later when I done it, when I finish and I eat, I come back and I'm gonna see how the steam bomb come out. The last time I do it like this, I do it on the stove top in the frying pan. And it was good. I call my auntie Canada, hear me auntie, no? She eat steam bami and sardine. I say, what steam bami and sardine? I just go dig up on the fix same time and find steam and find bami and I have sardine too. And I eat it and it did nice, it did taste good. Oh, I say I got fried plantain, you know. Shoot. I don't remember, you know. go fry plantain. Me can't fry plantain, no, don't. Yeah, me can't fry plantain, no. Me go fry plantain, no. Me never remember. And ever remember. Me go fry plantain, no. Me go give me girl one candy, she not cut off. I'm back. Oh, this Jesus Christ.